everybody and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for posting this video late. Husband let me sleep in this morning, which was awesome because I have not slept in forever. But I am here to share with you guys new coupons to print, plus a lot of coupons reset. So if you guys are eyeing up some of these coupons that did reset, definitely print them again. I know with coupons.com they usually limit like so many coupons to print, so once they're gone, they're gone. But I always print my coupons from swagbucks.com because I get points for every coupon that I print. I tell you guys this every week, but just trying to help you guys out to get a free Christmas. So the Huggies 50-cent wipes reset. The Johnson baby products reset again. This is the second time I've seen the Johnsons reset. The Huggies diapers for the $2 have reset. Now that's a better deal than what we got in our inserts last Sunday. They got $1.25 Dunkin' Donuts. Stevia has a new one for $1.50, or Truvia I meant, is for $1.50. Pull-ups, $2. Now they have $1 off any 3 Kellogg's cereal. Now there's a pretty good deal coming up at Walgreens for that, so I'm definitely going to print that off. The Pepsi reset, so if you guys want to do that. Hot dogs, the body lotion, the L'Oreal Paris, $1 off Garnier. Purina, $1.50 off of that. Those pretty much all reset. We got the L'Oreal Paris, which I'm going to print that off because you never know when you're going to need that. More products, L'Oreal lipstick. I don't know, I just feel like I print more coupons than what I truly need, so I'm trying to just cut back unless I know I'm going to buy the product or the product will be going on sale. But the Dial hand soap reset again. I've seen this Ocean spray drink on here for a while. That looks like it's still available. Breathe Right, Purina. Now they added some cereal deals. We got $1 off of 2 of the Post Great Grains. $1 off of the 1 Fiber, 1 Strawberries and Vanilla. And then they also gave us $1 off of 2 Grape Nuts or Shredded Wheat. Or Raisin Bran for Post cereal. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see it. For that. So if you guys are interested in that. Otherwise, nothing really popping out at me for that. I just wanted to share with you guys. But yeah, pretty much everything reset, and whatever did not reset disappeared, which I can't remember. But otherwise, it's a great time to print coupons off, so that means hopefully we'll have some great coupons to print this Tuesday. So just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.